Guys, good morning, welcome to our channel. This is Daodu and Esther here again. So today we're doing a vlog, like bringing you guys a vlog. We hope you guys enjoy this vlog. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'm just waking up, guys. Good morning. It's Saturday morning.
What's up, guys? I'm doing the breakfast today. So I'm making P to the A to the N to the C to the A to the K to the E. I'm making pancakes today.
You're making what?
Pancake.
Okay, it's clear now. It was blurred before. Jeez, trying to use a camera can be difficult.
You have to learn now.
Sit down videos are really easy to like make it
right. Just set the camera. Just stare at the camera around.
Yeah, but like taking it around is quite difficult. Let me see. Oh, what did you? It looks like Eba. Like you're making Eba.
Thank you. Kitchen and still insults my cooking.
And insults your cooking.
That's just so out of it.
Babe, did you buy some strawberry for the pancake?
No, I didn't.
Hey, let me disturb you small.
I thought you said you want to clean.
Huh?
I thought you said you want to clean.
Forget that one. I'm hungry. Let's eat breakfast first before cleaning. Everywhere is just so silent. We can't play song because of YouTube. It's annoying.
Go and query them now. Go and query YouTube now.
It's boring now. Saturday morning and we're not playing song. That's very unusual.
Cheers to the one. What's wrong?
This one looks really nice. Guys, look at this one. I hope you guys can see it.
Trying to get my groove from the first one, so.
Well done, D.
First one is always shabby.
You're doing a good job. These past few days have been really sad for us. Like, with everything that has been going on
in Nigeria, right?
In Nigeria has been so sad. Like, we even scheduled to upload a video on Wednesday. I just had to cancel it. Like, no way, this video can't even go up with everything that is happening. It's just so heartbreaking. Very heartbreaking. I really don't know. Like, so painful. I can't even at work, I just keep thinking about it. I'm seeing the videos and updates online on Instagram. It's just something else.
It's not encouraging at all.
It's not.
It's very sad though. Like, I wasn't expecting such massacre to actually happen. I wasn't expecting something.
Like no one was doing that. That was just so not cool. I don't even know what word to use.
So uncalled for. But it shows the extent at which those nonsense politicians of ours, governments, the so-called governments, the how far they can go.
Just to cover up their trash. Imagine even saying that nobody died. Like, they're not even acknowledging those that died. That's just like the most painful part of everything. Not acknowledging the people that even wasted their life and it's something else.
It's very sick.
I've just been so down, so down about it. I just hope that everything
I don't think you'll be in Nigeria and you won't feel sad about it.
I don't think any Nigerian would not feel sad.
We'll see it and not feel sad about it. It's very I was really ranting the day or the next day after the whole shit. I was really ranting like what nonsense.
Nonsense. It has always been a peaceful protest, like super peaceful.
But notwithstanding, still the massacre in the Lekki toll gate is just was something bad, heartbreaking,
very hard, very heartbreaking. There's nobody that would see that and not feel sad. Like, there's nobody, be a Nigerian or non-Nigerians. Like,
that's just the extent to agreed they are in Nigeria for the government. That's just the extent to agreed. They don't mind killing people for it
at all. Well, I just hope everything goes back to normal.
It's a nice coincidence.
Like, better normal, not the normal that we were trying to fight for and we didn't do anything about it.
Bad coincidence, the whole lights went off the same day.
The same day. Can you imagine? So guys, see what happened to me. See, like, look at my nails. Okay, look at this one. Can you guys see? Look at this one, and then this one just got broken. Like, it's so painful when you're keeping your nails and want to just, I mean, I've been keeping this nail for like a year now. It has been like this. I just file it down when it's getting too long, but like this one just broke and spoiled everything. It's so short now. Same with, let me change my camera. Same with this one. This is long, and then look at this one. This one also broke. I was like, what's happening? Like, why are they breaking? So now I'm thinking of just cutting everything and starting afresh, because it's been over a year, more than a year I've had my nails this long. So I'm thinking probably it has been there for like too long. Maybe that's why it's breaking or something. I don't even know. Feeling so lazy and tired this morning, but I need to wash my hair today. Whoa guys, look at my aloe vera. This one is dying off already. I always forget to water this thing, like every time. This one is dying already. See this one. There's no water in it. Thinking of using for my hair today. Oh, look at this. Oh jeez. Oh, this one has died. The weather looks so bright today. Guys, so we're done eating and now I'm just going to go and wash my hair. Guys, look at my hair. It's so dirty. Look at how shrinked it is. Natural hair and shrinkage. So I'm just going to go and wash it now and get ready for us to go out. We need to do a few things today. I think Daodu wants to cut his hair as well, and I need to get some things, buy some things today. Yeah, so we're going to take you guys around with us. Let's just see how it goes, and let me go and battle with my hair. It's not easy. Natural hair, but anyway, we move. I like it that way. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm about to do now. Jesus, the hair is itchy. All right guys, catch you guys when I'm done washing my hair. So hi guys, so guys? I'm done. You can see my hair. What do you guys think about it? Babe, don't scatter it. What do you guys think about it? Well, so we're out.
Looks like noodles.
Really, babe? Thank you. Is it nice or not? Which one is it look like noodles?
It looks like noodles. Noodles is nice, so yes.
Guys, so we're going out now. Just the camera off. So we're going out now, and yeah, we'll take you guys along with us, and we hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned. Don't sleep. Better. You're just chilling and relaxing. It's just so sad, like you don't have any salon that can make my own type of hair. I thought I've just been relaxing and chilling. Look at him, hater. Enjoy. Enjoy. Why do your face like that? Guys, it is raining and we just want to go and eat now. He's done cutting his hair. Yeah, so see you guys when we get inside. Look at how fresh someone is looking. Can't see the lady there. Kilo de. They say you're crazy. What do you need the ant fan for?
So that kí atẹ́gùn ẹ̀rí kó máa lọ lókè kó máa fẹ́ kí ni ti gbóná jù náà ẹbí mi yóò wọ ìdíjọ́ ti gbóná jù.
Guys, this guy is something else. He said he needs ant fan, like the thing is so hot. For those that don't understand Yoruba, let me translate. Drink your soup, babe. My food is here. Our food is here, not just my food. Camera battery is low. He says all about the food. Esther, I'm tired of you. You don't even know how to act posh outside. Every time. Always like this. Inside, outside. The same attitude. Be a big boy for once. Guys, let me eat my food. Guys, I'm taking ramen. Just in case you're like, what's this noodles inside water? It's one of my favorites in Japan. Ramen. I love it. Like each time we go out, always ramen. That's what I eat. I love it. Crazy person. Let me eat my own food a bit. I'm not using chopsticks today. They have chopsticks, but let me use my fork. Thank God they have fork in this restaurant, but some restaurants don't even give you fork, just chopsticks.
Hey, hello guys. She wants me to speak funny.
Maybe I say you should add.
Add. Subtract it.
Act posh. I didn't say you should speak British accent. I'm okay, but like when you act like what is this?
Okay, so she wants me to act posh. So, like I'm saying, this is a fruit puff. This is a fruit puff. Since I'm acting posh, you don't put the fake. You say fruit puff. And this grape is like they've taken out the skin of the grape because it's shining, or like they dipped it into an ororo. I've off the thing. Let me just let you know. You're just displaying. Make it ouch.
What's your business? Yeah, thanks.
Can't you send it through the camera? Don't use to watch Zach.
Guys, good morning. Like, we couldn't end the vlog last night. We got back feeling so tired, and I just needed to rest. Like, we just needed to rest. Actually, we're feeling extremely tired, and yeah, so we're back this morning to end the vlog. Guys, I'm just excited that I was finally able to go out yesterday, regardless of everything. It's been a long week for us, for me especially. It's been a long week because I can only say how I really feel to you guys. Like, watching everything going on in Nigeria, opening Instagram, opening Facebook, Twitter, it has just been like a nightmare. Like, seeing everything going on, just been really sad. Like, I can't even begin to express like how I feel in words. People actually lost their loved ones like this past week due to the whole thing happening in Nigeria. Lost families and friends, and it's so heartbreaking to know. Like, we can only just keep praying for Nigeria to get better and for everything to go back to normal. Not normal the way it used to be, but like to go back to a better way. Honestly, that's what we can just pray for. Feel extremely sad. I'm just glad that I can actually just ease off the whole thing I've been seeing online throughout the week and just go out yesterday. Excited about that. And yeah, I hope you guys are very good. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's our first time vlogging like morning till evening. I was feeling so nervous doing it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll be reading the comments to see if you guys really want to see more vlogs, and if you guys enjoyed this, subscribe to our channel, share our videos. We're Nigerian couples living in Japan, and yeah, thank you so much for supporting us always. We love you guys, and see you in the next one. Mwah.